Harmony of the Seas ship crashes into Falmouth port. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Port Authority of Jamaica has advised that a cruise ship slamming into a section of the dock at the historic Falmouth port in Trelawny will not disrupt the cruise ship operation or schedule, but will require some reconstruction. In a release on Friday, the Port Authority said that the vessel Royal Harmony of the Seas collided with the dock on Thursday, but eventually the passengers were able to disembark the vessel. There was no major damage caused to the vessel, according to a release. The Port Authority of Jamaica and the Caribbean Cruise Line are now undertaking a joint investigation to determine the cause of the incident. The release said, pending the investigation, that any determination of the cause of the incident is premature at this time. We're therefore urging all parties to refrain from any speculation in regards to this, the press release said. The vessel was eventually moored without delay using the remaining structure of the bollards on the remaining dolphins to stabilize the vessel. Subsequently, passengers were able to disembark and proceeded as planned to their tours and also other scheduled activities, the Port Authority said in a release. However, the mooring dolphin has been displaced and will require some reconstruction, the engineer has stated. The Port Authority have further stated that their engineering department is currently assessing the damage for further action. The Falmouth port facility is designed to accommodate the safe docking of vessels, notwithstanding the inaccessibility of the part that is damaged, but the port will continue to do so per normal as port operation, the Port Authority of Jamaica said in a press release. Harmony of the Seas had 7,000 passengers, including 2,000 crew members on board at the time of the incident. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.